In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pass the Stripe fees to your customer, if your goal is to make sure processing costs don't eat into your margins. The cleanest way to handle that in Stripe is right inside the invoice you are already creating. As you build the invoice, add your usual products or services, then include a clear separate entry for the fee you want to pass through. Give this line a straightforward name like customer fees so it's obvious what it covers. Setting it up as its own line item means the amount will be part of the invoice subtotal and the final amount due. So here is no confusion for you or the customer. You might be wondering how to choose the right number. A simple approach is to estimate the fee based on your typical processing rate and any fixed charges your account incurs. Then enter that total as the customer fees line. If you use discounts or coupons, keep in mind how you want those to interact with the fee. Some businesses prefer the discount to apply only to the product or service, not to the fee line. Make that clear in the description so the customer understands your policy at a glance. If you prefer to show fees without affecting the invoice total directly, you can use custom fields on the invoice to note customer fees and the corresponding amount. Custom fields are ideal for disclosure and internal tracking because they appear on the hosted invoice page and PDF. Keeping the customer informed, just remember that custom fields are informational. They don't change the amount due by themselves. If you want the fee to be included in what the customer pays, the separate line item is the most reliable option. Clarity is everything here. Use plain, customer-friendly wording and if helpful, add a short description such as covers payment processing costs. Preview the invoice to confirm the fee appears exactly how you intend and that the math checks out. If taxes apply in your region and to your type of fee, adjust the tax setting on that line item accordingly. If not, mark it as non-taxable so the totals reflect your policy correctly. A few quick best practices will help you stay consistent. Consider saving this fee line as a reusable item or keeping a short template note ready, so you don't have to retype details every time. Be transparent in your email message when sending the invoice, reinforcing that the customer fees line reflects processing costs. And finally, make sure your approach aligns with local laws and with your payment provider's terms. Thanks for watching.